Hey guys, how are you guys? Today we're gonna do the oil change for my 2017 BMW. Okay, see you later. Let's do it. Go first. We got the Reno ramp right here. Okay, this looks like just fine. Let's see. We're gonna put the car somehow using the Reno ramp. It doesn't work. They keep sliding over there. Okay, and then that one too. They keep sliding. So maybe I'm just gonna use the jack there to put the car. I jack up the car and still gonna use the rental car, and then just for the so I can go under there. Okay, take that out and then we do this oil. Okay, there you go guys, we're using 17mm here. We take that bolt from there and then we just use the hand to loosen it. Okay, so just some left. Draining is probably like 5-10 minutes. Let's see until it's really done. Okay. Okay. Oil filter. Okay, we take it out. We change the new one. Okay. We have to take this off and also this one. This one very easy. We take it out. See like that. Then and this one also. I think they just snap. It's not like that. The oil filter I just got here from AutoZone. They said number 32, but I got here. They say 27mm 12 points. Okay, this works perfectly there. Okay. This one I got the extension, so they can be longer there. Okay, like that. I'm gonna put the rag here. It's probably gonna spill it when I take it out. There you go. That's one, guys. Yep. Got all of this from the BMW dealer. It's all of like original. This is the oil filter. Okay, and this is the oil. Okay. This is recommended from BMW. Okay, twin power turbo, original BMW engine oil. Okay, all right. They say we need 5.5 quart. Let's see. Oh, okay. This one they come with the rubber thing there, and then okay, and come with this one also. This is a new one. Okay, gonna go here. You guys, it's the old one and that's the new one. Okay, we put it there. Okay, I'll try to use the pick to take the old thing out, rubber thing out. Here you go guys, we just take this out. Okay, okay, and it's not out. We use the new one. Oh, and here they also come with this one. So this is for the ring for the 17mm there, the oil. So we use that one, the new one, and this one we put it back on here. We just using okay. Yep, and look like snap. Yep, it's gonna go right here. Okay, on this side. Right, put it back this on. There you go, just like that. We'll put it back on now, put there, okay? There you go guys, we just changed the old one with the new one, okay? Okay, when we put this back again over there. Thank you. Okay, next we're gonna put the oil here. Okay, then your oil. Let's say 5.5 quart. Let me get it. We put the top back. Okay. There you go like this, guys. Okay. It's supposed to be snapping there. This one is just need to snap it. Like this, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now we're gonna set up the oil system here. Press 3 times this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, engine animal reset possible. Press and hold. Reset. Yes. Okay, we hold a little bit. Reset successful. Okay, and vehicle, go to vehicle status, press, and then we check the engine level. Okay, and we measure it. We start measure it. Now, when the engine is up a little while, so you can start measuring, okay? Let's see. 32, okay. 90. Okay. Alright, let's see. Yep. Yes. Way maximum, right at maximum. Yeah, this is good. Alright guys. That's it for today, okay? See you later. Bye.